reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. Suzuki GSX-S1000. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of cruiser motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. While the Suzuki GSX-S1000 is an impressive motorcycle, it's not traditionally categorized as a cruiser. It's more accurately described as a naked sport bike, designed for performance and agility rather than long-distance touring comfort. Background and description. The Suzuki GSX-S1000 is a powerful and dynamic sport bike that offers a thrilling riding experience. It's powered by a 1,000 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that delivers a smooth and powerful performance. Why the GSX-S1000 isn't ideal for long-distance touring? While the GSX-S1000 is a fantastic motorcycle for spirited riding and track days, it's not the best choice for long-distance touring. Here's why. Aggressive riding position. The GSX-S1000's aggressive riding position, with its clip-on handlebars and forward-leaning posture, can cause discomfort on long rides. Limited wind protection. The lack of a windscreen or fairings exposes the rider to wind and weather, making long-distance journeys less enjoyable. Limited luggage capacity. The GSX-S1000 isn't designed for carrying heavy luggage, making it less practical for extended trips. Focus on performance. While the GSX-S1000 is a high-performance motorcycle, it prioritizes sportiness over comfort, which can be a drawback for long-distance touring. Better options for long-distance touring. If you're looking for a motorcycle that's specifically designed for long-distance touring, you might want to consider these options. Harley-Davidson touring models. Models like the Road King and Ultra Limited offer comfortable ergonomics, ample storage space, and advanced technology for long-distance travel. BMW R1250 RT. This sport touring motorcycle combines performance and comfort, with features like adaptive cruise control, heated grips, and ample storage space. Honda Goldwing. This iconic touring motorcycle offers a luxurious riding experience, with advanced technology, ample storage space, and a comfortable riding position. Indian motorcycle models. Indian offers a range of touring motorcycles, including the Roadmaster and Chieftain, which are well-suited for long-distance travel. Conclusion. While the Suzuki GSX-S1000 is a fantastic motorcycle for performance riding, it's not the best choice for long-distance touring. For those seeking a comfortable and practical touring motorcycle, it's best to consider dedicated touring models that offer features like wind protection, ample storage, and comfortable ergonomics.